Hello everybody, I am Tom from Tom's Music Shop. Thanks for coming to my channel and checking out a Steirisch accordion. Today, that's what I want to talk about in this video is what is the Steirisch accordion and why did people change a couple of notes in this Corona?
Please be sure to like and subscribe.
So here it is, this Corona accordion looks just the same, but two notes have been changed out so that there are standing notes. Let me play this for you so that you know what I mean. This is a G-C-F accordion, and normally on the C and the F rows you're going to have two standing notes. So they were here. You can hear the same note on both the push and the pull. Same on the F row. And those are the two differences that are made when they, in Germany, make an accordion Steirisch. Okay? So this is currently for sale. This is a Corona 3R. It's got 5 registers. So you have got here tremolo. You have got the tremolo plus a bass note. You've got just the single high and the single low and separately, and then you also have the low and the high together. I like to play with tremolo most of the time. So anyway, I will play it for you just a little bit so that you can see what it sounds like. See, normally there I would expect the next note in the scale, but in this case it's the standing note. So you have to be aware that some people look directly for Steirische accordions and some people don't. So if you buy this one, please make sure you know there's two standing notes here. Standing G and a standing C. In order to not miss videos like this one in the future, stuff that I have for sale, unusual instruments and things like that, make sure to subscribe. See you next time.